Well, let's talk about training. Where to get training? How can I get better at doing this Save Club thing or any other business where it involves getting someone watching usually your screen, because we specialize in online business. But any business, you need attention. You got to have a market for it, hopefully a demand for whatever you're selling. Could be a service, could be your body. Are you selling parts like your elbow or other things? When I lived in Las Vegas for quite a few years, it's like, oh, don't sell your body. I'm like, God, well, how much can I get? Can I? I'm a little worn out. Can I sell some of my body parts and maybe buy some younger, newer ones? That'd be kind of cool. But I never followed through. I didn't sell my body. But, if the price is right, I think I will. That's just me being honest here as I almost turned 60 years old. So, all right, it's 2025. It is June 2nd, and that means that this company, Save Club, we're only on day number 2 from kickoff. All right, we came out of mama. We gave birth to ourselves about yesterday, and we're only 2 days old. And boy, I can't wait to do a video a year from today in my future. I can only imagine. I've already signed up almost 100 people already. And if you sign up, I want to help you. I definitely want you to sign up 100 people. And people that sign up underneath you, I want them to have 100, and so on and so on. That's the beauty of this type of business. It can really multiply with the cash little kicker, tickling your little thing, tickling one of your body parts. And it feels good. There's nothing wrong with making money, especially when it's more than you need to break even. You can buy Hot Wheels and Kiss lamps and Barbie dolls and weird stuff. And I'll probably buy it from you and put it on my walls, especially if it's in the Save Club back office. If I can save half off or $10 or something, let me know. All right, just call me. But yeah, with Save Club, what an awesome opportunity for you. I really believe that. There's only a couple thousand people that have joined as affiliates, and that's someone that spent $60 to where they can now earn money by just being a cheerleader. You just go, man, I like Save Club. Check out this link, and let everything else take over. Now, my training and experience, it comes from like here, there, maybe from a folder on a computer. I open it up and there's training. Maybe there's a PDF file or videos to watch, or maybe just real life experience. I'm a street guy. I definitely know how to get attention on street level, and I kind of prefer comedy with a little twist. Nothing wrong with having a little fun while promoting something, especially Save Club, because I'm not really selling you something like, well, how about my Eddie Van Halen doll? Okay, everybody, I think you know who Eddie Van Halen is. He's such a great guy. He passed away a couple years ago. One of the greatest guitarists, personally my favorite guitarist of all time. But yeah, this is probably 15, 20. Right now it's a little rare, so it might even be $40 now. But that's a product where if you really enjoy Eddie and Van Halen, you want to just go ahead and spend those two $20 bills, get Eddie, and then off camera, he's sitting right next to me on one of my laptop keyboards. And I like looking at him now and then. But that's a product. I think you'd agree. But with Save Club, there's really no product. You're going to buy products already, but we're just helping you save. So I'm not trying to sell you something where you just put it on a shelf like Eddie here. This is something where you log in every day, or at least when you go shopping, or if you're going to go on vacation. Are you going to go get Sirius XM? Gasoline? Believe it or not, we're going to have gasoline. Do you need that? I need diesel too. Diesel is a little different than gasoline, but I need both because I have vehicles that run on the gas, and I have a couple that run on the diesel. And boy, once we get savings on that, oh man, I can't wait to tell everyone about this opportunity. Now, Save Clubs have been around a long time. Everyone knows that, but not like this. This is where you can be the spokesperson or the influencer. Do you have a big crowd because you have, let's say, a wacky, fun YouTube channel? Are you good at applying makeup? Are you young, like an 18-year-old? Because you have to be 18 and 1 minute old to join. But maybe you're pretty good. Just messing around, having a good time on Instagram. Well, if I were you, I'd do what I'm doing. I'd go ahead and make time to just welcome people to a link. And the link goes to Save Club, where you can join for $20 and just see if it's going to save you more than that. In my case, I saved about $900. And it's a little rare that I saved that much because I had to buy a ton of tires and all this other stuff. And I don't buy tires for vehicles every day or every week. These are my personal vehicles. Now, if I had a auto shop or a tire shop, that'd be a different thing. But for my first month to save me that much, it's made me the biggest believer in Save Club. And I've already made $1,000 a week. I'm on week number 4. My 5th pay is coming up here in a couple days. Today's Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 4 more days, I'm going to have a pay day, and it's going to be thousands of bucks this time. And that'll shoot me to probably $6,000-7,000 in 5 weeks. Now, results, are they typical? Are you going to do the same thing? I don't know. But if you make it fun and post, I think you can do this. And it'll definitely be worth your while to save money and then also make money by spending that $60 to be an affiliate. Okay, so disclaimer. It's my opinion. And the reason I do a lot of videos is because I do believe in it. If I think it's a cash grab or this is a fad, you're not going to see me doing this. I have a lot of other things that I do. But I go out of my way to produce video every day. I like to do at least 1 to 2 hours of video, or at least maybe up to 5 videos. And I just hurry and put them up on YouTube and send them to my downline. Hopefully you guys will see my YouTube videos, even if you're not in my group in Save Club. That's okay. But I want to help everybody, because the more people that join, we're going to have even cheaper deals for every business, product, service inside of this mighty deal that only costs $19.97. There's a lot of deals in America. They're going to bleed up to Canada, down to Mexico. It's going to be a little slower in countries that might be Philippines or Malaysia, or little tiny countries I've never heard of. But don't worry, we're going to be there. We're not going anywhere except up. There will be millions and millions and millions of deals in Save Club. It'll be a household name. It might be pronounced different in a country that don't speak English, but people will definitely know Save Club. I've already got people all over the world in my team. I have a tremendous amount of training. And that, I think, is what I can bring to the table. I have 2 Facebook groups that I want you to join. And that way you can meet other people that have zero experience or they're shy. Maybe you can just talk about stories, or, hey, where you live? Oh, you're from Sweden? Hey, I'm in America. How you doing? I think you should meet people online. You don't have to go meet them in person or do Zoom calls. But yeah, keep in touch with a couple people. I think they can help you out and make you feel good. But if you're an ex or an intra or a pervert, everyone's an ert. Everyone likes to identify themselves. I'm probably a pervert. But whatever you are, you can do this. And I love when people don't have any experience. I have more fun with you folks. You don't have any bad habits from the good old days. Because what works now is June 2025. That's what you need to focus on. What works? Well, let's just see what works in 2025. That starts with a J. All right, and we just turned, to June 2nd. We're only 1 day old. This opportunity kicked off yesterday. We pre-launched 35 days ago to be exact, and we have a couple thousand affiliates already, and that's nothing. We're going to have over 1 million. And if you're going to join as an affiliate where you really want to make money, you need to join now. Because I know that if there's 2,000 affiliates right now, which there are, I know that just because you're an affiliate because you paid $60, that doesn't mean you're an affiliate. You got to perform things and create content and have fun and post on Instagram or social media, make a video, follow through with all our training. You have to do that stuff. And the more you post, the more you can boast about, man, I made some money. Look what I did. I can't believe it. I made $1,000. I saved $1,000. All right, I got 49 people in my group. That's the trick. Make it fun so you do it every day. It's entertainment. Okay, it's not heavy lifting. I know you like movies, playing solitaire on the computer, maybe a book reading, maybe building a puzzle. But if you're doing an online business, and this is what I believe, because I'm on my 2nd year doing this, going on a 3rd, 2.5 years I've been doing this to be exact. But if you start making money, even your first $50, you're going to really freak out. You're like, man, I just made my first $20, $50, $100. First $1,000 just by doing a webcam thing, maybe posting, doing emails, maybe just posting some things on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You're probably doing that anyway. But I'll tell you what, every Friday when you look in your back office and you've got money coming in, you're going to go out of your way to start posting more and making this fun. That's what I've done. I'm like totally addicted to Save Club. I can't wait to sit and kind of chat with you guys a little bit, tell you stories about myself a little bit and what I've learned to get signups or people at least pre-enrolled. It's not by accident I got 100 people already. My first month signed up. I just offer you a link and I let you guys decide. And I like to make my videos here, maybe 10 minutes. I'm at 10 minutes right now. So I usually wrap up my video like this. And if you join me, remember, we have a lot of videos already made and you can just use them. You don't have to do what I'm doing, where we're kind of doing a 10-minute little chit chat. But I want you to get a domain name. They're about $12 at GoDaddy. Get a business card like those red ones there. They're about $22 at Vistaprint. Design them online, pay. They come to your door like in a week. That way on a street level, you just hand the cards out and say, no, just go to this link. And in my case, that's what I do. When you go to ilovesaveclub.com, you're going to watch a little movie. And if you want more information, fill out the information, click the button below. You guys will figure it out. It's so easy. Open up the Save Club email. And if you want to join, you can do right there. And if you want more information, believe it or not, this company for 30 days sends out an email. You don't have to do autoresponders like Aweber Get Response or Leads Leap system. Just relax. Let the company do it for you. Now, if you want the funnel system, it's $25. Check this out. I've made about 800 extra bucks by using the funnel system. It's easy. You set it up in like 10, 15 minutes, but it's something that goes before where people click to get more information or to join. That's what I like about the system. It's a little slower. It takes you by the hand, explains things in great detail, especially for those like yourself maybe that don't want to do like a 30-minute video or share the screen and explain things. Let the funnel system do it. It works, and man, does it work. I've had a real good opportunity placed in front of me with Save Club, and then I had the second opportunity placed in front of me with the funnel system. So here they go. Well, I want you to just click. Just do this, please. ilovesaveclub.com. saveclubfunnels.com. Just check it out. They're short little videos. And if you're in, you're in. If you're out, you're out. And all you got to do is just get a hold of me if you need something. Cory at CoryDraper.com. I'm not going anywhere. You're not bugging me. Even if you're already signed up in some other group, I'll help you as much as I can. And the funnel system's for everybody. You don't have to join my team in order to get it. You have $25, check it out. If you're already signed up in Save Club somewhere else and you're stuck, look at the funnel system, please. It's worth your while. I think it'll help you a lot. Okay, guys, I'm done. Boy, 12 minutes just hauls ass, doesn't it? Okay, you have a good day, and I'll definitely talk to you later. And you're not bugging me if you want to ask me something, okay? Please do. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.